In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create template in ClickUp. By the end, you'll know exactly how to save an existing list as a reusable template so you can spin up repeatable workflows in seconds. First, open your browser and go to the ClickUp login page. When you see the sign-in options, click Continue with Google. This connects your Google account to ClickUp for a quick login. On the Google prompt, select the account you use with your ClickUp workspace to complete sign-in. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar. Find the list you want to save as a template. Hover your mouse over that list name and a three-dot menu will appear. Click those three dots to open the options for that specific list. This process creates a template at the list level, which is perfect for repeating a set of tasks, statuses, views, and custom fields that your team uses regularly. From the menu, choose Templates. In the Templates panel, click Save as Template. ClickUp will prompt you to set up the details of your template so it's easy to find and reuse later. Type a clear, descriptive name for your template. A good naming convention goes a long way. Consider including the team, purpose, and a version number, like Marketing Onboarding v1.0. This makes it easier to track updates over time and helps teammates know exactly which one to pick. Next, decide who to share it with. You can keep it private for your own use or share it with your workspace or specific members. Think about who needs to apply this template in the future. Sharing it with the right audience ensures consistency across projects while preventing clutter for people who don't need it. Your workspace permissions may affect who can view and use templates, so choose the option that aligns with your team's guidelines. When everything looks good, click Save Template. ClickUp will capture the structure of your list, things like tasks, statuses, custom fields, and views, so it's ready to be applied later. If your list is large, give it a moment to process. After saving, the template will be available in your templates library the next time you want to create a similar list. That's it. You opened ClickUp, signed in with Google, hovered over the target list to open its menu, went to Templates, chose Save as Template, named it clearly, set sharing, and saved. Use consistent names, keep sharing intentional, and update templates over time as your process improves. Thanks for watching and happy templating in ClickUp.